Jake here again. Currently on my way to an auction. They've got a lot of old Lionel, model train stuff. They've got some old records and all sorts of stuff. So we're gonna go see what stuff's gonna sell for and see if we come home with anything. So I'll pick back up when we get there. She's gonna be a big one today. The whole parking lot packed. Okay, so just got done with the auction, and as you can see, I have a full truck of all sorts of stuff. Focus. I was not planning on buying, but the price was just too good to let stuff go. So when I get home, I will go through and show you guys everything that I got. Alright, so here is everything that I got. Start with the stereos here. This one looks pretty decent. I only paid, I think, like $5 for all of these, so I have to see if they work. This one's got a turntable on top of it. Then we got some old, some model train, Transformers, American Flyer. And we got a Thunderbird book here, a whole bunch of, I don't even know what's in it. All about Thunderbirds. And we got these, they had a bunch of these model planes. I picked up a couple because they're just way too cool not to get one. Well, two. So I don't know anything about these, so I'll have to do some research. And then we got this box of lighters. There's a couple Zippos in here. There's one there. I think this is one. That's not one. A couple Zippos and some ashtrays. And we got this whole stack of all these old Disney records, which I thought were pretty cool. I think there's Johnny Cash in there, a whole bunch of different stuff. I think I paid like $10 for that whole stack. And then I got some, I don't know if they're DVD players or just like music CD players. I paid like $1 for those. We'll see if those work. And then over here, I got some old train photos. Or that looks like out of a newspaper or something. And here's some old photos here, Lionel. So, thought those were pretty cool. Had to have those. I didn't pay much for them. So I didn't get a whole lot of stuff, but I guess that's a good thing because I'm running out of room for things. But yeah, that was a good auction. Lots and lots of old Lionel model train stuff and planes and such. I think stuff went for a pretty good price. If I had the room, I would have bought some more stuff. But so yeah, that's it for me today. So like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment. If you want to, let me know what you want to see in future videos. And click subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. And all right, take her easy.